Hi, it's Lynne with Soft Squares. This is a sew sampler box for July. Let's look at it. Alright, as you know, I like t-shirts. Actually, I'm really not a t-shirt person, but since I work in my studio, I want to be comfortable, and I love the fact that we can get cute sayings on them. So don't forget to check my Etsy store where you can see some, but here's one of my new ones, and I ordered it in the wrong size. But I wanted to show you what it says, because I think this one is the coolest one ever, and I'm going to have to reorder it, because there's no refunds or returns the way that this system works. But this is definitely me. Okay, now let's look at the box. Alright, so let's see what this is. I believe this is the July box. I can't keep any of these boxes straight anymore. July sees the day. Ooh, can't wait to go through that. We have a free gift with purchase and stuff on the back of that that's always in there. There's something different each month. Okay, so here is our little pamphlet of what's in here. So, Sail Away Nantucket Summer Layer Cake. We're going to have to open this, so I will do this in a minute. This is $18.98. It is a half of a layer cake. Then we have half rectangle trimmer. Oh, what's this? It is valued at $5.98. And it is this little guy for a 4x6 finished rectangle. So it's got instructions on how to use it. And I'm just going to put that right there. We also have a tin of pins. And it's $8.48. This is the Quilters Select QS pin tin. I'm going to say it's magnetic. Yeah. Can you see that? They're not coming out. Nice. Oh, this is how long they're. All right, so the value of this is $8.48. We also have another notion. So we've got 3 notions in this bag. Box. These are called magic pins. These are the ones that are heat resistant. They also have a grip to help you so you don't have a struggle with trying to pull pins out. So we have extra long, and so 1 1/4 and 2 1/4 and 1 3/4 are the 2 different sizes. Pink is longer than the blue, and it looks like there's 6 of each one. And this is a pin that you can put the iron on and it will not melt it. Sometimes you do need the iron or the pin in place when you're ironing, and this works. So this is kind of like a little sampler pack because it's got 2 kinds in here. But that is awesome. That's $2.74 for that one. Oh, and by the way, there's 100 pins in here. All right, so we also get the Bliss Quilt Along Block 4, and this is the block, and I'm going to be doing that Quilt Along block in another video to show you what that is, but it's easier to see it here. Okay, so there's our block, retail value of $4.98. We also get a pattern called Sail Away. And I see this cute little keychain. I don't see that on here. I see it sitting right here. Did I miss it on something? Oh, it says right here, bonus sailboat charm. That's a $5 value for this guy. How cute is that? Lots of things in this box. All right, so here is our Sail Away pattern. Here's the picture of the quilt. and it's using these fabrics. Their finished size on this is 36 by 36, 36 and a half by 36 and a half. So it's a nice wall hanging baby blanket. And again, that's just using a half of a layer cake. So you could easily make it bigger if you had more of this or whatever you wanted to use with this. So I want to look at this fabric. I was at a quilt show today and I saw this fabric for the first time in person, and it was really pretty. All right. Come on. You know, I could probably pull that ribbon, but that would be too obvious. All right, so here we go. Let's see, how should I do this? These are pretty, and more than likely, because it is a half of a layer cake, we will have one of everything instead of a couple duplicates. They'll probably have most, if not all, the fabrics represented in the line. What do you think so far? That's a navy. Quite a few with this print. So this one is the two shades of blue, green, blue and white, and then white with a navy. Now we're into some plaids. And we have 3 of those, maybe more. That looks like it might be, nope, I think it's a one of, well, we'll see if there's more in here, but so far, these are pretty colors. And there we have it. This line is called Nantucket Summer by Camille Ross Kelly for Moda. Nantucket Summer. And there you go with that. Okay, what do you think of this box? I'm very impressed with all the little gadgets we got in this. More than normal, and they all seem practical. There's our block. Here's our triangle trimmer. Here's our pattern. And then there's a coupon or promotion in there. And then here's our little book that talks about what we're looking at. Do you see this little charm? This came in the box too. That is it for this. So stick around. I'm going to be doing another video, and I'll link it to this one that will show the quilt along block, the assembly for that. So that will be coming up next. Thanks guys, have a great day. There's our sew sampler box.